This is Mr. Green Boy. He might have started slow, but I'll tell you, first one outside, he grabbed a stick, a little twig, explored the whole yard. He's the one getting beat up right now. Here's my little novel in the house, trying to keep her coat nice, staying out of the sun. There's the boys, they're after each other. Daddy Striker, he's eating some grass right now. Well, come on, you little munchkin. Come on out here. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Good boy, goes potty outside.